Hi YouTube, today we're going to be building some dirt bike jumps out in our old menage area. I've built a couple on the paddock next to them, but it's just been dirt, that's dust that's made out of them, so they always fall apart. But today we're going to be using some clay, and clay mixed with soil that we use when we put the water tanks in. And yeah, so let's see how they go. So right now I'm just filling up the bobcat with fuel because it was almost empty. So yeah, we're going to be using this to do most of the work. So what we're using here, this pipe, it's called a jiggle siphon. You put it in there, you jiggle, and then I'm not sure how it works, but it sucks all the diesel out. Comes down here, down, and into the fuel tank. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the excavator there, and I'm going to break up some of this dirt here. It's been sitting here a couple of years, so it's probably hard. But yeah, it'll be good to make jumps because it'll be nice and thick. There's the excavator, and I've got the bobcat there ready to pick all the soil up. So what I'm doing right now is just using the excavator bucket to break up all the hard soil at the top, and then just put in a small pile for me to come and get with the bobcat, because this soil's been sitting here for a couple of years, so it's turned pretty hard from all the rain and it's compacted up. So here's the finished product of the dirt bike track. It's not really a track, it's just a small couple jumps, some turns. I probably might add some more later on, but for today This is fine. Yeah, this is a turn thing where you drive around, curve, and then might add another jump just around here somewhere. So then you jump here, come down, and then when you come down this grass hill, you turn there and then restart. I'll probably make this a bit bigger, but for today this is all. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.